All right. So if you want to create story-based videos using AI, yeah, Pika AI can help you turn simple ideas into cinematic scenes. In this video, I'll show you how to create story videos step by step. First, quick idea. A good story video always has a clear beginning, middle, and ending. Start by planning a simple story idea. Don't make it too complex. Just keep it short and easy to follow. Next, break your story into small scenes. Each scene will become a separate video clip. Now write prompts for each scene so the AI knows what to generate. For example, a person walking alone in a rainy city with cinematic lighting. Then generate each scene using Pika AI. You'll end up with multiple short clips. Make sure your visual style stays consistent across all scenes so the story feels connected. After that, download all your clips and combine them into one video using an editing tool. You can add voiceover or text to clearly explain the story. Also, Yaram, add music and sound effects to make your video more emotional and engaging. Finally, make your last edits and upload your story video. So yeah, Pika AI makes it easy to turn simple ideas into powerful story videos. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.